I'm out of breath and depressed. The dynamic duo.
How we doing, guys? It's Adam with Traxxas RC. I'm joined by the two Goons. We got our 3 crawlers. Let's go make a mess. We are still in the parking lot.
Oh, yeah, wheel down.
Already broke it. I trained you better. Alright, he's back in action. So today we're at a location we call Ma Bell. That might be its real name, I don't know.
It is.
But for scale.
Short for Massachusetts Bell because of the bell shape of the power lines.
And now we got a history lesson. Let's hit it. Again, 3 idiots decide they want to play in the mud. So to give you guys some quick context, we are maybe 250 feet up the path, 300 tops. Probably went up, what, 15 feet in elevation? Yeah. If we're lucky. Yeah. We found this mud hole, and I think we just lost 30 minutes of our day already.
30 minutes, though?
We've officially given Kai here mild depression. Look at how...
The truck is depressed.
So again, we have 3 idiots playing in the mud.
How many?
We have 2 idiots playing in the mud. And, yeah, 2 stuck.
Yeah, I'm like that too.
I'm stuck.
You got it. Oh my God.
I'm on an ice shelf, dude.
No, you're stuck. You're almost fully underwater again. I mean, you said you wanted to kill it today.
The body, not the truck.
I think you're doing a good job.
Camera footage is all twisty now. Oh, that's in my shoe. How you feeling?
Good, man. I'm having a blast. My truck isn't.
You look so excited to be here today.
Very excited. My Chunks loves it too. I'm out of breath and depressed. The dynamic duo.
So again, we came up here to take this D21 body from Proline and make sure this was its last run, okay? We've had to reassemble. Could you not?
Bounces it off the rock.
We've had to reassemble Kai's, what, 3 times today? 2 over there. Nice. Has officially cracked his A-pillar, blew a door open, and it looks like it's almost hanging on by only half.
Yeah, I think I just killed mine too. I heard a crack.
Crack kills.
It does.
But this thing hasn't even lost a body post or a body pin or any new cracks that I can see right now. And mind you, I had to tape under the body right here because it was starting to separate. I fully anticipated that tape giving out, and it's just painter's tape. Proline, if you are watching, send me another one, please. I will do a full review. I'll do a painting teach on it. I'll do painting techniques. I'll show everything you want about it. Send me another one.
Another one.
The squad agrees. And with that, my friends, it's now the 5 o'clock hour. Can't take these guys anywhere. End result, all trucks are running. Mine is dead batteries. This truck looks like it got divorced aggressively. Fire marshal, still trucking. Body's still intact, so I failed the mission.
My body's not intact.
Guy won't let me do my own videos. Make your own channel.
Nah.
Lazy. So until next time, I'm Adam. You know the Goons. That one's running away. We'll catch you next time. Get out of here.
That kind of hurt. A little bit.
I'm so sorry.
Fuck your shins, fat boy.
I gotta learn how to censor.
Oh, oh.